Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by this company right here. They sent me out a buffer, wireless, pretty cool. I have a wired buffer, but this is portable, compact, efficient, and we're gonna put it to the test today. So keep watching the entire video. Alright guys, let's get right into it, to the unboxing. Comes with a nice little carrying pouch for everything. Included down below is a bunch of pads. Now you got cutting pads, polishing pads, waxing pads, and that's pretty nice that they come with all these pads, wool pads here. And again, they all have their purpose, so look at the owner's manual to see what pad you need to use for what. As you can see, they threw in quite a bit of pads. We have polishing wax and we have paste wax, so this is able to cut down on scratches. And here's the beauty behind everything. This is the buffer here. Again, this is wireless, completely digital. It's a 4-inch pad, so it's probably not ideal to buff whole cars with it. It's probably meant more for a smaller detailing buffer. So as you can see, comes with some cords to charge this thing. Let's pop it on, and there you go. It's got battery percentage right there already. Turn it on. You have different modes and speeds. So 6 is your highest speed, and that's pretty quick, guys. That will definitely give you some cutting power for the waxes. And again, the beauty of it is no power cords anywhere, and it just works. So I'm excited to use this today. We will be also bringing along our polishing waxes and stuff, just in case these aren't cutting appropriately for our application. But I'm excited to try this all out, so stay tuned for the entire video. Alright guys, here we are. We already washed the car, we clay barred the car. The car is looking pretty dang clean, as you can see. We're using the sponsored product right now. We got a bunch of supplies they sent out. I got some of my own cutting polishes and whatnot by Meguiar's. Again, there's the clay bar. I also used the new kind of clay bar right over here. It's a long, tedious process, but the results are going to be fantastic. So I had the buffer charging for a little bit. We should be good to go. We're going to start off on the hood here, polishing the hood and going around the whole car for the most part. We are on a time constraint, but we're still going to get it done. And overall, this is a 07. The paint looks pretty good. A lot of these have, as you guys know, oxidized clear coats. This one so far is still holding up, so I'm pretty happy about that. And it's holding up thanks to products like this and just freaking car washes. That's all I can say. So let's get started. Like I mentioned before previously on the unboxing, you do have a polish wax and a polish paste wax. I'm just going to be using my own products just because I'm familiar with them. I'm familiar how much they cut. We're going to be throwing on the cutting pad and we're going to go from there. Let's turn this puppy on. Speed number 3. Let's just smear it on right now. And we're going to be working on small segments. Just get a taste of the cutting capability of this. Let's keep it on 5. Again, 6 is the highest speed. We're not putting too much weight on it, just moderate weight. Let's juice it up to the maximum speed. So it's got a good speed to it. You're not gonna get amazing professional cutting results with this speed and this RPM, But for a hobbyist just trying to buff their car, maybe slightly remove some swirls, I think this is just about right. We'll see the results. I wish I recorded more for you guys, but I've been busy the last probably 4.5 hours trying to clean this car up, and we did clean it up. I wasn't polishing the entire car, but we sure as hell did polish the hood, a few other components, and a couple of scratches that we had miscellaneously here. We had some at the mirror, at the door, and actually using the Meguiar's compound and the buffer at the highest speed setting, we were able to remove those scratches without a problem. So again, I've had a good experience with it. I've been buffing for a few hours, and the battery lasts long. Overall, the kit comes with everything you need. So check this company out, give them a follow on Instagram, or if you're interested in something like this, wireless, portable. It's definitely probably too small to be a 4-inch buffer to buff the whole car, but if you're looking for a spot treatment, you know, buffing certain panels only, not the whole vehicle, this will do the job quite well. So go ahead, check that out. I have the link in the description, and I have the company tagged as well. But overall, guys, the car is looking fantastic, very clean. I'm glad I got this opportunity here to do it indoors because it's cold out, and I'm glad I got it done because winter's right around the corner. And you guys already know, this is my turbocharged Civic. Got that little sleeper intercooler right over there, boys. So it's definitely gonna have to do some work during this winter, and it's gonna be a rough one. So I'm hoping everything works out. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Comment, subscribe, like. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of